coffee nerves and city noise, chasing down a living fast, like it ever gave me a choice. Then I turned off on a gravel line, let the daylight fade behind, heard the pines say slow it down, found a little peace to find. And the wind in the tall grass was singing low and kind, like a hand on my shoulder saying, boy, you're gonna be fine. Wild river, quiet mind, wash these worries out in time. Carry off the weight I hide, leave me lighter on the other side. Let the current draw the line, old ghosts fade in the moonlight. Wild river, quiet mind, let the river do the talking. I finally listen tonight. I've been wearing all my miles, like a badge and like a bruise, saying I'm okay to quit when I'm losing more than I choose. But out here the stars don't judge, they just hang there bold and bright, and the water keeps on rolling like it knows I'll be alright. And the night sounds like a prayer I didn't know I'd find, every heartbeat falling closer to a better state of mind. Wild river, quiet mind, wash these worries out in time. Carry off the weight I hide, leave me lighter on the other side. Let the current draw the line, old ghosts fade in the moonlight. Wild river, quiet mind, let the river do the talking. I finally listen now. If I could bottle up this silence and pour it in my veins, I'd stop looking for a fire in the middle of the rain. So I'll lay my trouble down where the smooth stones shine, and let that water teach my hands how to let go.